Welcome back to Quiz Realm. Most people fail this quiz before the end. If you score more than 25 out of 30, your general knowledge is exceptional. There are 30 general knowledge questions. You will receive 5 seconds for each question. Let's start now. How many colors are there in a rainbow?
Seven colors.
What is the fastest land animal?
It's cheetah.
Which continent is the smallest?
Australia.
How many continents are there?
Seven continents.
Who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
It's William Shakespeare.
Pizza originated in which country?
Italy.
How many rings are on the Olympic flag?
Five rings.
What brand uses the Golden Arches logo?
McDonald's.
Chemical formula of water is?
H2O.
What is the largest animal in the ocean?
Blue whale.
How many bones are in an adult human body?
$206.
Which food never spoils?
Honey.
What is the tallest waterfall in the world?
Angel Falls.
What is the capital of Italy?
Rome.
How many legs does a crab have?
Ten.
What is the largest desert in the world?
It's Antarctica.
Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Christmas Eve is on which date?
It's on December 24th.
What animal is a koala?
Marsupial.
When is Halloween celebrated?
October 31st.
What is another name for dragon fruit?
Pitaya.
How many faces does a cube have?
6 faces.
Which is the most populated country in the world?
India.
Which car brand uses this logo?
Toyota.
Which planet is known as the Red Planet?
Mars.
What gas do plants release during photosynthesis?
Oxygen.
How many hours are there in one day?
"24 hours.
Which is the largest land animal?
Elephant.
What is the national sport of Japan?
Sumo wrestling.
Which ocean is the largest?
Pacific Ocean.
How many you got correct?
Comment below. Subscribe Quiz Realm for daily quizzes.